Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info, your how-to and information channel. Today my topic is related to coronavirus and Uber drivers as well as Uber Eats partners, how they can receive £200 financial assistance for having symptoms of Covid-19. Please stick around and I'll give you a step-by-step guidance on to getting this £200 from Uber. Firstly, you need to be diagnosed with the Covid-19 or have symptoms of Covid-19. Not only yourself, you can also claim if you or your partner or anyone else living with you, they have the symptoms of Covid-19, you still will be eligible to receive this £200. Now to receive this, you need to get NHS 111 self-isolation certificate. Now you can get that from NHS 111 website and I'll take you to the guidance very soon. So please do stick around and I'll give you a full guidance on how to get this certificate. What you need to do is go to the Google and type NHS 111 self-isolation note, and when you type, click the very first search option, and as you can see it says get an isolation note. This is what Uber requires. So what you need to do is click start now, and it says have you been told to self-isolate by an NHS website or healthcare professional. So basically, has NHS 111 or your GP have told you to isolate? And then you click yes. It says why do you have to stay at home? You need to tell them that either yourself have the symptoms of coronavirus or someone you live with have coronavirus. So in the first box it says I have symptoms of coronavirus. So if you have the symptoms of coronavirus, just tick this one. If someone else have coronavirus, just tick this one. Either cases, you're fine to get the £200. And then it says when do you need this sick note to start from? So if you need it from today, click today. If you need it to start from the past, click sometime in the past. So I'll do today for just the reference. And then you need to give your name which you have in the app. I'll just make something up. I'll put my YouTube name, Exquisite Info. Continue. And then he asks for your date of birth. Again, you need to give your original date of birth. I'm just making it up for this. So and then you press continue, and then he's asking you for your email. You need to make sure you give correct email to receive the self-isolation certificate, which you can forward to Uber. So click continue, and then here it's giving you all the answers that you've given. So make sure all the information you've given matches your Uber app system, and once that's done, you click accept and send. When you do this, you'll receive the email with the self-certificate, and that's the certificate that you need to forward to Uber. And then basically that's all there is. And I hope you like everything I said. Please do comment below, and I look forward to seeing you again. Goodbye for now. Take care.